Angry test. If you put more than 8 fingers down, you have anger issues. Put a finger down if you've ever yelled at someone out of anger. Put a finger down if you've ever broken an object because you were angry. Put a finger down if you've ever raised your voice in an argument. Put a finger down if you've ever sent an angry text, then regretted it later. Put a finger down if you easily get mad while playing video games. Put a finger down if you've thrown something across the room out of anger. Put a finger down if you've ever cried out of anger. Put a finger down if you've ever been angry at the first person who pops up when you click share, then more. Put a finger down if you've ever punched a pillow to let off some anger. Put a finger down if you always have an angry face. Quick tip,